Hi, my name is Joseph Santos. Nice to meet you. I'm from Peru. Subway, I'm Peruvian. Hello, my name is Kevin Burga. Nice to meet you too. Joseph, I am happy we're making this video for Disney. Me too. So, Kevin, what do you do on weeks? On weekend, I dance ballet. I take photos with my camera and some minutes I go with my friend and Joe Joseph. What do you with him? I usually play the guitar. I sing and then I go to the park with my family. Sometimes I watch movie at home. And what do you do weekday, Kevin? On weekdays I study in the morning and the practice ballet and the afternoon sometime I edit photos at night on my laptop. What about you Joseph? What do you do on weekdays? On weekdays I study in the morning and then practice singing in the afternoon. At night, do you homework? It's busy routine, but late it. When do you usually study? I study at 9 a.m. and you, Kevin, when do you study? I usually study at 8 a.m. and drive a quiz before a ballet class. Now let's talk about preference. What do you like, do Kevin? I love dancing and like taking pictures, but I don't like the boring activities and I had routine because I hate it clean. And you, Joseph, what do you like or no like don't? I love singing and playing the guitar